Guys, dukaankan aaday is called Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit of grocery haul what I got. Okay, I didn't say soo la socod wanaagsan waxaas quruxda badanna waa soo gatay mujadiin waa arki doontiin waa idin tusaa insha allah. So waxyaalaha soo gatay waxaa waaye flatbread aa la dhahaa kaneeto, hot dog bun, cilantro علشان kabsar caleen, dooro ama digaag sa u taqaanid, tomatoes, lemon waa liin dhanaanta oo yelowga ah, carrots, banana and flourkas quruxda badan ma arkino xaajigayga rabaa inuu kusoo dhaweeyo laakiin dooqayga waa ani waxaa jeclahaa soo gata. Okay, so tug aydintase si fiican ayuu suwaa flour sug inta lagu qabanaa soo majeedisi uu qurux badan yahay. I don't know, soo saas uu egyahay isagu waa istaajinaa waa idin tusaa. So flourkayga waa ujeediin oo umaleeyaa si uu qurux badan yahay uu shidan yahay wow uu yahay. Right now I'm just basically blending the garlic and cilantro, and then at the same time I want to marinate my ground chicken, so I will be using all those spices that you guys can see. That's what I will be using, and I will use some of the spices for the rice as well too, because I'm making a rice as well too. So yes, that's what I'm doing first. What I like to do is after I put it there, I just see sometimes, like if it's ground chicken or ground beef, I barely don't wash it, but like other than that I have to wash my meat. So that's what I didn't wash this because it was ground chicken, so I didn't wash it at all, to be honest. But you know what I did? I put like lemon. I put a little bit of lemon, and then I let it sit, and then I drain the water out. I add like a little bit of hot water, a little bit, not a lot, and then I drain the water out. That's what I did, to be honest. So right now I'm just seasoning, putting everything together, inshallah. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please support me, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.